Listen, I'm about to share the affiliate marketing system that took me from zero to over $10,000 per month, and it's not what most gurus are teaching. This isn't guesswork or hunting for viral products. It's a repeatable three-part operations model: discovery, application, and implementation. Each part solves a specific problem: finding the right offers, getting approved consistently, and turning placements into real commissions. When these systems run together, you get predictable growth, not random spikes. I'll show you the exact processes I use, the checklists, the templates, and the metrics that matter. Stay with me. If you apply this the way I explain, you'll stop wasting time on poor offers and start scaling what actually pays. First, the discovery system. While everyone scrambles for the newest hot product, I follow a methodical discovery pipeline that filters opportunity from noise. Start with the major networks: ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Impact Radius, Rakuten, and don't ignore vertical players like ClickBank, WarriorPlus for digital, or Amazon Associates for broad retail reach. For each potential offer capture: offer name, merchant/network, commission structure, cookie duration, and EPC, earnings per click. EPC tells you expected return per click and helps prioritize. Next, check direct merchant programs by searching your niche for affiliate programs and scanning footer links like partners or affiliates. Some of the best programs hide on plain pages. Use OfferVault and AffiliatePrograms.com for curated lists, and monitor niche forums and subreddits to spot new launches and creator-led programs. Competitor analysis is a multiplier. Use SEMrush or Ahrefs to find which merchants competitors link to. Then reverse engineer top-performing pages and traffic sources. If a competitor is sending consistent traffic to a merchant, that offer is worth testing. Qualify offers with rules: minimum EPC threshold, acceptable cookie duration, and merchant reliability and payout history. Log every find in your spreadsheet or CRM with an application status column: unreviewed, qualified, applied, approved, rejected, paused. Add notes for promotion restrictions or creative requirements. Discovery workflow example: 1. Weekly network scans for new and trending offers. 2. Competitor backlink pull twice monthly. 3. Curated list scan for high conversion products. 4. Quick qualification, EPC plus cookie plus merchant check, and add to CRM. That gives you a steady pipeline of vetted offers instead of random chasing. The second system is application, and this is where many people fail by applying without a plan. Build a standardized media kit that looks professional and answers merchant questions before they ask. Include site metrics, monthly sessions, page views, traffic sources, organic, email, paid, audience demographics, age, interests, top-performing content examples, links plus brief stats, promotional methods you'll use, and case studies of past conversions if you have them. Use a clear application checklist. Read offer T&Cs, confirm platform compliance, attach media kit and examples, describe promotion plan, channels, cadence, confirm tracking setup capability, note any payment or tax requirements. Here's a concise outreach template you can adapt. Subject: affiliate partnership inquiry. Jim here from Everything Happens for Us. My channel is all about helping beginner affiliate marketers navigate this space with confidence, offering them real tips, real offers, and a supportive community. When I came across opportunities, I immediately thought of my audience. I think it fits perfectly because these offers are specific for beginners from the niche businesses. I'm providing content, tutorials, and newsletters to show my viewers how it works. I can also share examples of past promotions and my conversion stats so you can see the kind of engagement I drive. Could you confirm commission structure, cookie duration, promotional restrictions, and payment terms? Start with one network. Don't try to sign up for everything at once. Pick ShareASale or ClickBank, explore what's available, and choose one product that genuinely fits your audience. Test it, learn the process, then expand from there. The goal isn't to promote everything, it's to promote the right thing. Affiliate networks, the easiest place to begin. Think of these as massive directories filled with brands actively looking for promoters like you. You sign up once, and suddenly you have access to hundreds of vetted programs. ShareASale, great for lifestyle, fashion, and digital tools. CJ Affiliate, home to many major retail and software brands. Impact Radius, used by modern, tech-savvy companies. Rakuten Advertising, perfect for established household name brands. If you're leaning toward digital products or info products, these networks are gold mines. ClickBank, digital courses, ebooks, and software. WarriorPlus, Popular in the marketing and make money online niches. Follow-up cadence matters. Initial application, polite follow-up at 5 to 7 days, second follow-up at 14 days, then log status. If rejected, ask for feedback and note reasons. If the program requires minimum traffic, consider alternative entry points, emailing a partnership manager, pitching a smaller pilot campaign, or proposing a custom content swap. Track all applications in your CRM with dates, contact names, responses, and next steps. That discipline turns sporadic approvals into a steady roll of accepted offers. Implementation is where the offers become revenue. Start with an onboarding checklist. Read T&Cs, note promotional restrictions, confirm tracking method, direct link, cloaking via pretty links / thirsty affiliates, UTM parameters, and set up conversion pixels if available. Confirm payment thresholds and expected payment cadence. Use a content integration matrix to match content types to offer goals. Product reviews for high-ticket items with in-depth demos and comparisons, tutorials and how-tos for software with a problem, solution flow that naturally leads to a recommendation, gift guides and seasonal lists for short-term spikes, resource pages and evergreen best-of roundups for steady affiliate earnings, and email sequences to nurture leads and convert over time. Always disclose. Place an FTC-compliant disclosure above the fold and in email footers. Use clear language like, "This post contains affiliate links. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you." Tracking and optimization. Tag every campaign with UTM parameters, use Google Analytics to measure assisted conversions, and track clicks with pretty links or bit.ly. Build a monthly dashboard tracking clicks per offer, conversion rate, EPC, total commissions, and estimated return on effort, commissions divided by time spent. Use A/B tests for link placements, CTAs, and headlines. Rotate offers to keep pages fresh and seasonal test promotions. Maintenance cadence. Weekly link checks and pending commission reviews. Monthly performance reviews to prune underperformers and double down on winners. Quarterly negotiations with merchants to raise rates for top performers and update your media kit. A quick results timeline to show compounding. In Q1, I prioritized 6 offers and focused on reviews and tutorials, earned $800. By month 6, after optimizing placements and scaling promotions, I hit $4,000 monthly. With continued testing, email integration, and negotiated higher tiers, by month 12 the system produced consistent 10K plus month. That outcome isn't magic. It's disciplined discovery, targeted application, and rigorous implementation. If you want, I can share the exact spreadsheet template, media kit example, and application email pack to get you started. Before you go, smash like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more proven affiliate growth systems. Let's scale together, right now.